Hi everybody, this is Harmony Skillman here from Paradise Travel. I just checked into the Sandals in Grenada and I'm so excited to give you a little tour of my room, 1105, so come inside. So this is a club level room. It's a walkout suite. I just want to show you around a little bit because there's just some great amenities here that make Sandals such a great vacation. And if you're thinking of booking, definitely reach out. We can go over all the options, the different resorts, the different room categories, the different room types. I'm a certified Sandals specialist, so I'm happy to help you navigate all your beach vacation needs. So here's my suitcase, which was delivered right to my room. When we arrived on property, they whisked away my suitcase, and here it is waiting for me, waiting to unpack. And someone came and walked me to my room and gave me a little tour of the room as well. So I just want to share some of the things that she pointed out. Right here, she referred to as the red wine station, which I love. I will be asking for my fridge to be stocked with some white wine. All you have to do is call up and give your drink or wine preferences, and all these drinks are just for me. And apparently they'll be restocked often, which is really great. And then over here we have the coffee and tea station. I'm really excited to try their coffee. I know it's supposed to be really, really good. We have the bed area is pretty basic, honestly. A little desk. I'm sure if you're coming to Sandals for your honeymoon, you're not going to be needing a desk, but for me, I will be working this week actually, so because I'm on a work trip. But the amazing part of this room, the walkout part, you open the door, it looks like a balcony. We got some chairs, got some lounge chairs, but once you look up here, this is right on the beach. It's right there. It's amazing. It's so gorgeous here. It's very hot, and I have my own soaking tub. So I think I'm gonna pull those shades and get in that tub real soon. And I just want to show you guys a couple more things. Sandals are really good about thinking about everything that you might want so that every wish is granted. Here's the bathroom. Really nice, good size shower and a big sink. There's me. Toilet. And then in the closet we have a nice big closet for all your stuff, iron board, extra pillows, iron, more blankets. I love the robes. I love hotel robes. A safe for your valuables. And I love that she pointed out that they even leave you an umbrella in case it rains, because we are in the Caribbean and it is tropical and you never know. So if you are interested in a couple's getaway, Sandals is an adults only resort. They're located all throughout the Caribbean, different ones. Just make a great honeymoon, a great anniversary trip, romantic getaway, even like a friend's trip. Please reach out for all your vacation planning needs, Harmony at Paradise Travel, and I'm gonna go unpack and get out on that balcony.